What's up guys, it's Hunter with NVX, and today we have another cool install. We have the Ford Mach-E with our boost box, our Ford Mach-E boost box, an X-Kit 82, XLCA2X, and a VAD M1. So we're gonna cover two things: installing the boost box, which is super easy, and how to run everything, your power wire, and how to wire it all up. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so first thing we want to do is get to your battery here, which is right here. So we're going to want to take out this tub and this upper panel here. So first thing you want is a T30. You don't have to have a drill, but I got a drill to make my life a little easier here. Let me take out these 4 torque screws. We have our battery here, but we need to get to our positive terminal. So we gotta take some more stuff off. So here's a look at the clip so you can look for yourself. Everything pops straight up. It will give. I didn't feel like it wanted to there for a little bit, but it looks like we left a clip behind somewhere. Right here. So get that out. There we go. Then the whole tub comes out. Now we're gonna mount our fuse right on this ground wire here. So we're gonna move our heat shrink, like so. About where I want it. All right, so the front end is put back together except for these 2 little things, these 2 little covers. But now we can still access our fuse, put our fuse in there when we're ready. We have all of our power wire, our base remote cable back here. And as for our ground wire, We had mounted it behind this panel, but I want to explain how we got it up. You have two hook clamps here, or hooks here, which are T25s, and then two 8mm located here and here for this panel, and then you just pull out and then up. And then after that, you want to pull this corner up. It's got a clip here. Then you can just pull this straight out. And we have mounted our ground with a factory ground there. That bolt there is an 8mm. Cable's here. Mounted it with our factory location. And then just ran it underneath the panel and brought it out. And we had to take apart this side because we got to get to our speaker level signal. Clip this real quick. Doesn't want to come undone. But here's our speaker level signal that we're going after. This is a B&O system. If you don't have the B&O system, what you're going to want to do is find speaker level in the front or rear speakers, one of the two. But since this does have the B&O, all the ones that I've seen so far have the B&O. That doesn't mean that you do. But yeah, so this is where we're going to grab our signal. Makes our life a little easier. All right, our speaker level signal wire colors, positive is green violet and negative is gray. So we want our positive wire to be on green violet. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so this boost box is really easy to install. There's no mounting hardware, there's nothing like that. All you gotta do, once you have your amplifier hooked up, we already got all of our amps and stuff hooked up, but this is how you put it in. Just set it in there, push it back, push down, that's it. That is it. Once you obviously remove the foam tray and your little tire air compressor thingy, you remove that, you put this in its place, and then you can put your tire compressor over there, wherever you want. But that's it. That's how you install the boost box. All right, so that's it for this Ford Mach-E boost box install. Went great. We love it. We love the sound of it. If you want to check out any of these products, check out the link below. If you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe.